On January 2, 2026, at precisely 11:46 p.m. in Caracas, a single order was signed that would dismantle a decade-long regime in less than half an hour. General Dan Kane, chairman of the Joint Chiefs, confirmed that the mission was go. The operation was shrouded in unprecedented secrecy. The US Congress was left in the dark, a move the administration claimed was vital to prevent leaks that could cost American lives. Yet, interestingly, some of the world's biggest newsrooms, the New York Times and the Washington Post, reportedly had wind of the strikes before the first bomb fell. This wasn't just a strike, it was a display of absolute aerial supremacy. 150 aircraft from the Navy, Air Force, and Marine Corps converged on Venezuelan airspace. The fleet was a who's who of modern warfare. The stealth of the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II cleared the path, while B-1B Lancers provided heavy payload capabilities. But the real unsung heroes were the EA-18G Growlers and RQ-170 Sentinel drones, which blinded Venezuelan sensors. Trump later boasted that the US had a fighter jet for every possible situation. This included the first ever operational use of one-way attack drones by the US military, loitering munitions that targeted critical infrastructure with surgical precision. As the explosions began around 2 a.m., witnesses in Caracas reported something strange. It wasn't just fire and smoke, it was a total system failure. Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt cited reports of Venezuelan troops suffering from injuries consistent with sonic weaponry. Trump later teased a classified technology to journalist Katie Pavlich, calling it the discombobulator. He claimed this secret weapon caused Russian and Chinese-made defense systems to simply stop working. While discombobulator sounds like something out of a comic book, military analysts suggest it may have been a combination of high-powered microwave, HPM, bursts and the active denial system, non-lethal but devastating tools that cause buttons to be pressed with no result. While the air war raged, the ground war was just beginning. Helicopters from the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, the Night Stalkers, dodged ground fire to insert Delta Force operators directly into Caracas. Their target, Fort Tiuna. This wasn't just a military base. It was a fortified labyrinth where Nicolas Maduro and Cilia Flores were known to hide. Accompanying Delta Force was the FBI's hostage rescue team, there to ensure that when Maduro was taken, it was a formal federal arrest. Despite one helicopter taking damage from Venezuelan defenses, the teams pushed through. Within minutes, the fortress was breached. At 5:21 Venezuelan Standard Time, the world received a Truth Social notification that changed history. President Trump shared a photo of a blindfolded Nicolas Maduro, wearing soundproof headphones and a grey Nike sweatsuit, sitting aboard the USS Iwo Jima. The strongman of Venezuela was now a federal prisoner. By 6 p.m., the plane landed at Stewart Air National Guard Base in New York. Maduro was processed at a DEA field office before being transferred to the Metropolitan Detention Center. Back in Caracas, the smoke cleared to reveal 5 destroyed warehouses, charred Buck M2E missile systems, and a regime in total collapse. The Venezuelan government called it imperialist aggression, but for the US administration, it was a 30-minute masterclass in 21st century power projection.